I thought I'd show you what happens. So if I go to RowPro, which is 5.2.3, 5.2.3.2 in fact, you can see there, look, 5.2.3-2, sorry. And I can't have the graphics. If I go to, not view, if I go to preferences, you can see I've got the anti-aliasing switched off. I've put it into 2D mode. If I go to the most obvious one, OpenGL, and then I have to do a restart. So I'll do that restart. You'll see what happens. Can you see these artifacts? Well, they're not, they're just, let me get the mouse. Well, the mouse is pointing up in this corner up here. I'm not sure if the video is capturing it, but you can see it's just doing that. So if I go to Tools, Preferences, and set it to Direct 3, sorry, 3D Direct. It's funny how that says Restart Later. It'd be good if there was a Restart Now button just there. Let's go like that. Restart again. Oh, the 3D display did not start. That's the first time I've seen that one. Well, perhaps I'll go there for help and see what happens. I think it's going to say switch off anti-aliasing and try one of the other 3D APIs. RowPro 5 or later on Windows. Yeah, got that one. Windows 10 or later. Yes, do not run in. This machine is a Microsoft Surface Book, so it's got that. Check the graphics driver. So that's that devices, isn't it? Device manager. Where are we? It's not monitors, is it? It's video controllers. I've got an NVIDIA drive, but there's an NVIDIA card in here. I've got to just find it. And that's all. Oh, where's that gone? Disappeared. Let's try again. Maximize. Right, battery, computer disk drives, display adapters. There we go, my Intel graphics. I think I can update the latest drive, update the driver. Fingers crossed. Yes, they are installed. Okay, so let's try on Windows Update, shall we? This is just to do Windows updates. I'm pretty sure I must be up to date. So updates are available. Should we do install up? No, I don't want uninstall updates. Right, so I am up to date. I've got the latest graphics driver for that Intel HD graphics. Let's just keep going down here in case there's some other gaming driver or something like that. No, so I haven't got that. Right, okay. Check if there's more recent. Have you updated? Start RowPro and check it works correctly. Version and settings. I've got the latest version, 5.2.3-2. Yeah, I did that. Once you've got the latest. Tube on your keyboard. Oh, I don't. It does start. It is actually running, but that's not working. So all I can get is that. I can't get any better graphics than that. So I guess that's my problem. I think if I go help about, that will shows you the exact version there, doesn't it? And I think there is there a sort of a capture system thing in here somewhere? No. No. I think there's system information. So there's all that information. Perhaps, is there a way of copying all of that? Can I just... Oh, I can't copy it. Well, perhaps I'll just go up and down these things so you can see. It's really gonna, I don't think it's be hard of a problem, is it? Multimedia. Don't know if that helps. It's my display. And then we got software environment. No, nothing on there for you really, is there? Okay. Okay, so next thing, if I plug it in, switch my PM3 on my Ergo. And let me get that over here. So I've set up a row in here, which was a custom row, 5 by 1500. I'll let you have a look at it. It says create fixed intervals row, active for 1500, and then a 5-minute recovery, 5 reps. So 5 by 1500, perhaps I should call it /3 minutes rest. And then I think, I can't remember how I save that. Oh, save and return. There we go. So now if I row that, just oh, I'm going to have to do the whole thing, aren't I? It's going to take too long. Sorry, let me just stop that. Let me create another one. I'll go set up a row, custom, create a new custom row. Don't know how you delete these things. That's another thing I need to find out from you. Test. I'm going to do this as a distance of 100 meters and then a recovery of 5 minutes. And I'll put in there 10 reps. 100 meters, 5 minutes recovery, 10 reps. It's just a test, so let's save that. Must be at the bottom of this list. No, it's gone. Oh, it's that one there, isn't it? Test, sorry. Right, so let's do, right, so I'll get my 30-second countdown. I do know I got this set up so I can just row in the previous version. I'm sure I can do that with this one somewhere eventually. Another 10 seconds to go. Right, so if I just row 100 meters. On 5 minutes, it's not counting down. That 5-minute rest is just staying there. On my PM3, it's counting down. I didn't do that before. Before, what the PM Twin says and what my PM3 said were both exactly the same. So, I don't know what's happening there. That's counting down. Well, sorry, it's not counting down. So, hopefully you might be able to help me with some of these problems. Well, with all of them would be ideal. Thanks for that, and I'll talk to you along a bit later. Bye. Well, what I've got to do now is get out of this and stop the recording.